When therapy feels stuck. 4. Fixes that work. You're in therapy but not improving? You're not broken, and your therapist isn't necessarily doing it wrong. Plateaus are common, and today I'll show you 4 research-backed fixes that get therapy moving again. In psychotherapy, most people feel early gains, then progress slows, the classic dose effect curve. That doesn't mean therapy failed, it means it's time to adjust. Here are 4 fixes. 1. Repair the relationship. 2. Measure what matters. 3. Tweak the plan. And 4. Step up, or step over, to a better fit option. Fix 1. Repair the relationship. Therapeutic alliance. Therapy works best when you and your therapist agree on the goals, the tasks, and feel a safe bond. That's the therapeutic alliance. And across hundreds of studies, it reliably predicts better outcomes. Hitting a rough patch? Don't ghost, repair. Studies show that naming and working through ruptures can boost outcomes. Say this: I don't feel we're focused on what matters most to me. Can we recalibrate? Before next session, write 1 goal that matters this month, 1 task that feels useful, and 1 thing that isn't working. Bring it in. Fix 2. Measure what matters. Feedback in MBC. Guessing progress is risky. Measurement-based care, MBC, means using brief, validated tools every few sessions and letting the data guide tweaks. Session-by-session feedback, like the Outcome Rating Scale, ORS, and Session Rating Scale, SRS, helps flag off-track cases early so you can adjust. 2 minutes before/after sessions, ORS, SRS. Why these tools? Because PHQ-9 and GAD-7 are validated, quick, and sensitive to change. Fix 3. Tweak the plan. Content, pacing, skills. Sometimes progress stalls because the ingredients or pacing need a tune-up. Adjust frequency briefly. Because gains are often front-loaded, a short burst of weekly sessions can reignite momentum. Use homework strategically. In CBT, both the quantity and quality of homework are tied to better outcomes. So pick 1 targeted assignment you can actually do. 1 small, specific practice. Repeat. Add high-leverage ingredients. Behavioral activation, BA. For depression, BA, rebuilding routine, pleasure, and mastery, has strong RCT support and often works as well as medication in severe cases. Fix sleep, CBT-I, including digital. Treating insomnia doesn't just help sleep, it reduces depression and anxiety symptoms, including with digital CBT-I. Move your body, adjunct exercise. Physical activity shows moderate symptom reductions across adults. Walks, strength sessions, yoga. Choose what you'll stick with. Start small. 10-20 main most days. Fix 4. Step up or step over. Match intensity, modality. If you're off track after a fair trial, step care up. Switch modality, add group work, pair therapy with medication, or seek a specialist. Stepped care models beat usual care on average. Authoritative guidelines, like NICE NG 222, lay out options by severity. Use them with your clinician to choose the next step. How to use this week. Here's your 7-day reboot. Open your next session with 1 goal, 1 task, 1 friction point. Start PHQ-9 GAD-7, add ORS SRS each session. 1 BA action, pleasure mastery, 1 sleep target, CBT-I routine, 1 movement block. If scores aren't budging in 4-6 more sessions, discuss a stepped-up option aligned to guidelines. Feeling stuck is part of the process, not a verdict. Repair the relationship, measure what matters, tweak the plan, and step up when needed. If this helped, like and share it with someone who's plateaued. And if you're in a tough spot, please talk to a licensed professional where you live.